Good morning. In the previous video, we saw about the empathy regarding the economics of quality infographic. Now we're going to see about define, that is a second stage of DT. So, what is quality? That is economics of quality. Many people think quality improvements always increases cost, but in reality, we have to invest wisely in quality. It actually reduces the cost, that is total cost, and increases profit. So, define what is meant by economics of quality. Balancing the cost spent on quality activities with the benefits we receive from it. ஸோ நம்ம என்னதான் காஸ்ட் இன்வெஸ்ட் பண்ணுறோம் ஸோ அதுக்கேற்ற மாதிரி என்னென்ன குவாலிட்டிஸ் வந்து இம்ப்ரூவ் ஆயிருக்கு அந்த பெனிஃபிட்ஸ்னால நம்மளுக்கு என்ன கிடைச்சது தட் இஸ் கால்ட் எக்கனாமிக்ஸ் ஆஃப் குவாலிட்டி. தேர் ஆர் டூ மேஜர் சைட்ஸ், தட் இஸ் காஸ்ட் ஆஃப் குவாலிட்டி அண்ட் ரிட்டர்ன் ஆன் குவாலிட்டி. So cost of quality is nothing but what are the things we are using for the improvement, that is called cost of quality. Return on quality, ஸோ அந்த காசை வச்சு என்ன ரெடி பண்ணமோ அந்த ப்ராடக்ட்னால கிடைக்கப்பட்ட ரிசீவர்ஸ், தட் இஸ் கால்ட் ரிட்டர்ன் பேக் ஆஃப் த அமௌண்ட், தட் இஸ் ரிட்டர்ன் ஆன் குவாலிட்டி. ஸோ செகண்ட் ஒன் இஸ் இன்வெஸ்ட்மெண்ட் இன் குவாலிட்டி. when we investment when we invest in quality, it includes training the employees, improving process, using better materials, implementing quality checks. So this investment may look like an extra cost initially. So it is in the runtime. It may increases the productivity and also increases the efficiency, and finally it gives an overall satisfaction and customer satisfaction. So impact on quality investment. First one is customer satisfaction increases. So in this picture, we are seeing about the third picture. So that is first one is customer satisfaction. So when customer receives defect from free products and trust improves. So second one is improve the efficiencies, less rework, fewer defects, and smoother operations. So finally, that is one is increased profit. So that is uh, less weight and more customers. Sorry, less waste and more customers. And it's to give higher revenue and all. So the better quality level. What is mean by better quality level? Overall performance is called better quality level. It also increases the brand value. For example, the product is in the market, it is not selling up to. So in a company or in a market, the product is not being in the sale position. We're giving the better offer to selling the product. We are giving the extra support or we giving the extra product to sell the product. The company gives an another revenue to the small scale industries also. So the most important thing is cost versus profit relationship. What is cost versus profit information? So this is a case study of economics of software quality. So scenario explanation is a software company invests in quality improvements to reduce cost and improve their products. So what are the three type of costs? It shows in the second list, that is prevention cost, appraisal cost, and the failure cost. So prevention cost is code reviews, development trainings. So it's stop with defects before what they happen. So appraisal cost is testing and quality inspections. So failure cost is debugging, rework, and customer complaints. So the quality investment, the quality level is low, the failure cost is high. The quality level is high, prevention cost increases slightly, but the overall cost reduces the minimum quality level and optimum quality level. So results after initially qualitative, that is called before improvement, after improvement, its annual savings will be varied up to uh, lakhs and lakhs. So return on investment, that is ROI. So it is an only a case study. So it is not investing the quality gives high returns. So and finally, to conclude the economics of software quality. So quality is not an expensive, it is an investment. Spending more on prevention uh, reduces failure cost. So the goal is to find optimal balance between quality and cost. Thank you.